I mean, it's true. You know, I mean, it is true.
London doesn't fade into the night. It builds into it. Listen closely. Well, it's already happening. Not slowly, not suddenly, just enough to pull you in without asking. This is Tripin, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together. Lights stack over each other, voices rise, overlap, footsteps fall into a rhythm you didn't plan to follow. And for a second, you're not observing anymore. You're part of it. And then it clicks. This isn't just London at night. This is Soho. Pubs here don't just fill, they spill. People gather in layers, inside at the doors, out on the street, glasses in hand, bodies turned toward each other, not toward a DJ, not toward a stage, but toward conversation. look again. No one's really watching anything. They're watching each other. That's the energy here. It's loud, alive, buzzing, but not performative. No one's trying to be the moment. They're just in it. Voices overlap, laughter cuts through the air, and somehow it all feels intentional.
That's the word, yeah.
Yes, that is.
And then the boundaries disappear. Doors stay open, music drifts out, and conversations stretch onto the pavement. The street becomes part of the pub, and Soho turns into something shared, something moving. Notice this. Even with all this motion, no one seems in a hurry to leave. In other cities, nightlife can feel like a performance. Something you chase, something you prove. But here, it feels like people are arriving, not escaping. It's busy, electric, full of life, but grounded in something simple. Being present with someone. Somewhere that matters. Do you feel that shift? Where noise stops feeling like chaos and starts feeling like connection? The deeper you walk, the more everything blends. Music, voices, neon reflections, not competing, just coexisting. It's not about one pub, one street, one moment. It's about how seamlessly it all flows together. Like the night isn't a series of places, but one continuous feeling. As the night slowly fades and the neon lights begin to dim, the streets of London remind us that this city never truly sleeps. Tonight, we didn't just walk these streets. We felt them. If you enjoyed this glimpse into London's nightlife, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more real street experiences from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and let the night lead the way.
Why are you coming right at me.
Yeah, why are you
For YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah, you can check it out.
Is it gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Really?